because it wasn't wide enough. It didn't think it could do it by itself.
Shouldn't it get these ones then?
Yeah, it did.
No, it got that one.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Now what do you do? Speed. Okay, so I tell it I want to park here.
Oh.
I think.
Maybe back up, go backwards.
No, it must be stopped to select park type. Oh, got it. Okay, so I want that one. Then you're supposed to hold this button.
Okay, we're backing.
No, I'm not doing anything except holding the button.
Oh, I don't trust this.
I'm looking, it's got plenty of room.
I don't trust this.
Let's see. There you go. I've seen a bunch of people do it.
Oh, it's smart. Oh, it knows how to do it.
Yeah. You let go of the button, the car stops immediately.
Yeah.
So if you know, oh shit, it's not catching it. What everybody said is dead slow, but if you can't do it yourself, you can go ahead.
I don't know why I was looking at the screen. It's here.
Yeah, I'm looking at the screen because I can see everything. I can see all 360.
I don't know how it does that.
There you go. It stopped by itself. Look at that.
Look at that.
It works.
But my house is over there.